What are you so happy about?
Well, there were some electrical issues here, but I fixed them by putting a whole bunch of dielectric grease inside this connector here. This stuff is magic, you know?
I hate to burst your bubble, but putting dielectric grease on terminals and connectors does not improve the conductivity on its own.
That's crazy talk.
Here, this YouTube video explains this really well. You should check it out, it's really helpful.
Many of you are probably saying, but I disconnected my connector and applied the dielectric grease and reconnected it and it works better. All I have to say to you is, the only purpose of the grease is to prevent the air and the elements from interacting with the metals. No interaction means no oxidation or corrosion can happen, which means no loss of conductivity. This lug nut sits on the aluminum plate. Both metals are conductive, so the meter goes. And if I apply dielectric grease to the contact surface, there is no current flow, and the meter does not beep. Once I start to press down on the lug nut, it pushes the dielectric grease aside and contacts the aluminum plate, allowing the meter to beep.
You definitely learn something new every day. Can't let Garrett know that. It would all go straight to his head.
I heard that.
Oh,